Hey guys, I'm here with the WORKPRO tool set. I'm just kind of unpacking it. I did another video just showing all the different items in detail, but so impressed with this, man. This is perfect. It's exactly what my wife wanted. I'll probably be sneaking and using this a bunch too, but you know, it's like the perfect home tool set. If you look at all the stuff that comes with it, just got the bag opened up. Again, I was pretty impressed with all the details here, just how nice it is, how high quality the zippers are and everything, all the different pockets. Got a nice shoulder strap. The padding on there is really nice. So anyways, I'm just kind of like loading this thing up, but just wanted to shoot another video showing some of the details. Magnetic, you know, just really impressed with this. I can't think of anything that it didn't come with that we would want in this tool set. So got all these little, even the little mechanical screwdrivers. It's good stuff. Probably organize it a little bit more later, but for now, just kind of get in the bag. Even came with some zip ties, some sheetrock anchors, drills, super high end. That's probably the most expensive part of the whole set, but it's like really nice. So anyways, super impressed with this, and I highly recommend it.